I welcome you all in this video. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to assess the solution of assignments submitted by students. So first of all, you have to go to your course. So this is my course, Machine Design 1. Once you click on this Machine Design 1, you will be directed towards next window where you can see the activities or the activities that you have assigned for the students. So under this unit number 1, you have uploaded the links for the videos, you have created the quiz, and at the end you can see the assignment that you have given for the students. So this is the demo assignment that has been created by teacher for students. So you can click on this demo assignment in order to assess the solution. Once you click on that option demo assignment, the new window will open. Here you can see the name of assignment. This name would be different depending on the teacher, the name that has been given by teacher for assignment that can be seen here. Then this is the assignment file, PDF file. It consists of the questions, assignment questions. Then below that you can see the grading summary. Now in this grading summary you can see the number of participants are 99, submitted 1, that is one student have submitted the solution, and needs grading, that means one solution needs to be assessed by teacher. Then you can see here due date and time remaining. Now easiest way to assess the solution of assignment submitted by student is to click on this option view all submissions. Now once you click on the view all submission, the new window will open. You can see the list of students in this model, but this list is mixed one student is from TE Mech, second student is from AC Mechanical. So this list is mixed one. So just you have to scroll down. You have to find one option that is filter. You have to locate one option that is the filter. You can click on this option. You can select the option submitted. Remember that once you select this option submitted, you can see the only students those have submitted the solution. So and others will get hide from the list. So I will click on this submitted button so that I can see the list of students those have submitted the solution. So now here I can see only one student. That means only one student have submitted the solution, that as we have seen in the grading summary. So this is the student who have submitted the solution. His status you can see submitted for grading, and you can see in this grade box nothing is there. That means still it is not graded, and in order to assess his solution you have to click on this option grade. Once you click on this option grade, the new window will open where you can assess the solution submitted by student. So here in this window you can see there are a number of options are there, like comments, like comments color, like drag, like select, like this pen. You can choose this pen. You can highlight some points. If some student have done some mistakes in the solution, you can highlight. You can mark the tick mark. You can mark here cross for wrong answers. Here you can see the highlighter. You can highlight some points by using this option. You can change the color of this highlighter. So in this way you can assess the solution submitted by students, and you can do different activities in this solution file in order so that student can understand what mistakes he has done in the solution. Now finally you can enter the grade depending on the quality of solution student have submitted. So I will enter here grade out of 10 as a 9. Then if you want to give some feedback, you can write feedback here like this: all answers are correct, or some particular answers are wrong, like this comment you can give. Then you can attach here feedback file. If any feedback file you want to attach, like a solution of this standard solution or model solution of this assignment, you can attach here. Otherwise you can directly click on save changes. Before that you ensure that you have given the grade for this assignment. Now click on this option save changes. Again click on this OK button and click on this back option. Now here you can see in the undergrade this is the blank. So you can refresh once in order to see the grade that you have been given. So you can see here grade out of 10, you can see here 9 grades, and the status is changed from submitted for grading, 2 submitted for grading, and under that you can see graded. So in this way you can assess the solution of assignment submitted by students. Remember that once you apply this filter submitted, you can see here the list of all the students those have submitted the solution. Just you have to click on this grade option in order to assess the solution. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt related to this process, you can mention in the comment section.